Hello! Today we are crocheting small flowers. It can be used as a pendant or various decorations. Hook method is simple, novice friendly. 4 strands of cotton and 2.0 crochet. First take out the line. Finger winding circular needle. Hook the line. Hook a braid needle. Do an uplift needle. Then crochet 10 short needles in a loop. Ten short needles are finished, we tighten the coil. Then seduce and pull on the first short needle. Then disconnect. Flower heart hook. Then change the color and hook the petals. Insert the needle into the eye of the needle just pulled out. Hook the line. Hook 3 braid needles. Then crochet 2 long needles in the same position. Cool withdrawal line. After hooking, go to the next stitch and hook 2 long needles. Four long needles are finished. Then hook 3 braid needles. Next, needle extraction. The first set of petals. Hook well. Each petal is made up of 4 long needles. Go ahead and hook the next group. Hook 3 braid needles. Then crochet 2 long needles in the same thread. After hooking, go to the next stitch and hook 2 long stitches. For long needles are finished. Hook 3 braid needles. Lower needle extraction. The second set of petals. Finish and continue to hook 3 braid needles. 2 long needles with the same needle hook. Finish the stitch. Continue to hook 2 long needles. Then hook 3 braid needles, lower needle extraction. Third petal complete. Continue to hook the remaining 2 pieces according to this hook method. The 3 braid needles of the last piece are hooked. Reseam needle extraction. Then pull the needle again at the beginning. Then you can disconnect. Return the thread to the back. Then tie the thread in knots and fix it. Then just